Who the baddest? Not you. Not you. It's like too I feel like it's too bright. Like, let me just set a mood. No light. How about that? Hey guys, how are we doing? I'm doing alright. Like, I'm super ready for spring break. Let me put something on my lips. I'm super ready for spring break. I'm honestly tired of being on campus, tired of classes. I'm just tired. I'm just done. Me and Cam just decided to make impossible plans to go out to eat. We're going to this barrio place, and I'm about to start getting ready for it. Have a good time. I'm probably gonna take some pictures.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, why did they die? Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas around me, why did they die? Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something too out there. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to else I play like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded off the 42, gorgeous, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. We go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better than me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold xoxo. Oh no, I can't fuck with lames like you no more. Back up on the scene, out here acting foolish like I'm 17. I just bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just think you're new, bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with
With Cam.
Hey vlog.
We're still waiting on our Uber to go to Burium.
don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm like, yeah. Bitch, back on my back. Back on my back. Bitch, back on my back. Back on my back. Bitch, back on my back.
This is crazy, bro.
Right, writing a menu like that's I don't know. These are
I'm like, I'm in class right now.
I think I'm good.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing.
Hey guys, so I only ate so much. I ate a little bit of I ate 1.5. You guys can barely probably hear me, but that's okay. We're having a great time with Cam. Cam's having a great time. And we're gonna take pictures after this. We'll find somewhere. It's pretty dark out, like as you guys can see. But we're gonna find somewhere. I'm super sorry. I don't have my nails done. You guys can't hear me. I'm gonna talk later. We're packing up to get ready to go. I asked this man if I could get like a little container for the queso that we have left over, and y'all, he came back with a whole thing of chips and everything for me, free of charge, everything. But I'm still a little shocked by this bill because I didn't know like everything would be added up like that. But it's okay. It's okay. It was good. Like it was good. So that's all that matters. Yeah, our little couple bites. It was cool. So I'm about to pour this. It's like a little cauldron. That's so cute. I'm going to pour this in here. Hi guys, we're finding a picture spot right now. Everywhere has warm lighting and it's cold outside, so I'm trying to find somewhere inside with maybe the same type of lighting. But yeah, cameras take our pictures too. And yeah. Camera was like, oh, do you want me to help you down with that little ledge? I'm like, oh, girl, I do this hill shit. I do this hill shit. I am on my own now. I am in control now. I need you to go. I can fix my own. Oh yeah, we're gonna take pictures right here, y'all.
I'm dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch.
Hi vlog. So we just got back to Cam's dorm. Cam's right here.
We took some cute pictures.
We did. I'll put some all over the screen. I'll put camera and Instagram like at the bottom. I'll see you guys when I'm back in my dorm. I'll let me chill out here for a little bit and